Carving a pumpkin is a cherished Halloween tradition. But if you want your jack-o'-lantern to truly stand out this year, it's time to go beyond simple cutouts. Our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits are the secret to achieving intricately textured, professional-looking pumpkins right at home. Whether you're aiming for a pumpkin covered in lifelike scales, eerie cracks, or an intricate spiderweb design, these tool bits can help you create jaw-dropping effects that leave your neighbors amazed. To begin, select a healthy pumpkin with a firm, unblemished skin. Once you've cleaned and prepared your pumpkin, it's time to bring out your die grinder and attach one of our coarse carbide burrs. These tool bits are engineered here in the USA for durability and precision, making them ideal for working with tough pumpkin skin. Their rugged cutting edges power through the outer rind, allowing you to carve patterns without the risk of quickly dulling or damaging your tool. Start by sketching your design lightly onto the pumpkin surface with a washable marker. For a scaly, reptile-inspired pattern, outline overlapping oval or teardrop shapes across the area you want to texture. For cracks, draw jagged, branching lines that mimic the look of a broken surface. If you're going for a spider web, map out the central hub and radiate lines outward, then connect them with gentle, curved cross lines. With your design in place, power up your die grinder and gently apply the coarse carbide burr to the pumpkin's skin. Use a steady hand and slow, deliberate motions to trace over your lines. The coarse burr will remove just enough of the outer layer to reveal the paler flesh underneath, creating a striking contrast. For scales, follow the outlines of each shape, then lightly etch inside them to add depth and texture. For cracks, deepen and widen the main fissures while adding fine branching lines for realism. And for spider webs, let the coarse burr define the main structure, then switch to a finer burr if you want to add delicate details. One of the major advantages of using our carbide burr tool bits is the control they offer. Unlike knives or scooping tools, these bits allow you to vary the depth and width of each groove, so you can make some textures shallow and subtle or bold and dramatic. Plus, because carbide is extremely hard and wear-resistant, these tool bits stay sharp, making it easy to work for extended periods without losing precision. As you work, remember to periodically wipe away pumpkin debris from the carving area and the tool bit itself. This ensures clean lines and prevents clogging. If you want to add even more dimension, experiment with layering textures. Combine a scaly background with cracks running through it, or add a web that looks like it's stretched over bumpy surfaces. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Once your pumpkin is fully textured, add a candle or LED light inside, and watch as the carved patterns come alive with an eerie, flickering glow. The textured surface will cast dramatic shadows, creating a haunting effect that you just can't achieve with traditional carving methods. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more creative ways to use our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're always sharing new tips, tricks, and projects to inspire your creativity. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave your Halloween comments, questions, or pumpkin carving ideas below. Let's make this Halloween the most creative one yet.